just have to park here and they will be able to take the pallets. Or I will just reverse down there. I don't know, it's the first time I come here, so that's why I park there in order to keep the yard clean. Because if I would have parked there, I would have parked in front of the gates there, would have blocked everything. Just gonna open the outside of the curtain in order for this guy to take his stuff. Yeah. Right, mate?
How many?
12.
12.
Yeah. Wow, one of the straps went out, but I made sure that it's okay. It's still my fault, even if the strap is like that, is my fault. Well, I made sure that it's okay. I will look on the video to see what was wrong with it. Maybe the catch, maybe it was nice. This one is an excellent driver. Excellent. Company is so big. Everything is big here in Coventry. Excellent. The guy is moving so fast. Here the straps are okay. Just on the other side, one of the straps, fuck, didn't went out or anything. Look, everything is. So let's have a look from here. So this is how the lorry looks. Impressive, isn't it? But I'm still disappointed that one of the straps didn't do the right thing. I think I'll just do this because you always take a pallet and something. So I'll take this first and I'll come from here to the other end. Wow, this is the fastest forklift driver I've ever seen. Very good, excellent. I'll just go on top. Wow. Impressive. Impressive how fast was. Really impressed. Like, you're the fastest forklift driver I've ever seen.
You don't fuck around here, mate.
Yeah. Nice one.
You do an answer in like what? 7 minutes?
7 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow, that's impressive. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Wish you all the best. Take care. It's the same way out?
Yes, mate. When
Yeah.
you go out, the gates are
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much. Cheers. So this is how it looks. Won't go anywhere from there. This is how you close the curtain. Yeah. Before I used to open only one side, but from some time I'm opening both sides because it's so much easier to open it. Try to tighten it up both sides as well. I forgot something. So let's see. Other than that strap going out, everything was okay. Customer was happy. Product was delivered in good, safe conditions. I think I'll be a little bit later than expected back to the yard because I stopped so many times, you know. I hope that this fog will go somehow. If it's going to be foggy all day, it will drive me nuts. happy with that. Okay, so we'll just spin it down. Okay. 1 second. Boom. Last one.